There are very few names in automotive history that carry the same timeless elegance as the Morris Oxford. For decades, it represented British sophistication, practicality, and understated luxury. But now, in 2026, Morris has brought the Oxford back. And this time, it's not just a tribute to the past. It's a bold reinvention. A car that blends classic heritage with modern performance, technology, and design. And today, we're taking a closer look at why the new Morris Oxford could be one of the most beautiful retro modern sedans ever made. Starting at the front, the new Morris Oxford immediately establishes its identity. The upright chrome grille is unmistakably classic, featuring elegant vertical slats that pay direct tribute to the original Oxford. Above it, the Morris emblem sits proudly on the hood, reinforcing its heritage. The circular LED headlights are a perfect fusion of old and new. They maintain the traditional round shape, but now feature modern lighting technology for improved visibility and a premium appearance. The chrome bumper completes the look, preserving the Oxford's vintage charm, while subtle aerodynamic enhancements bring it into the modern era. It feels refined, confident, and unmistakably British. From the side, the Oxford maintains its timeless proportions. The long body, upright windows, and smooth curves preserve the classic silhouette that made the original so iconic. But modern upgrades are immediately noticeable. The car sits lower and wider, giving it a more planted and athletic stance. The black alloy wheels with subtle red accents add a contemporary performance touch, while chrome trim along the body enhances its premium feel. Everything about this design feels intentional, respectful to the past, yet fully modern. At the rear, Morris continues this perfect balance. The Morris lettering across the trunk gives the car a confident, premium presence. Slim LED taillights modernize the look while maintaining classic proportions. The chrome rear bumper remains, honoring the original design, while modern quad exhaust outlets hint at the performance underneath. It's elegant, clean, and beautifully executed. Step inside, and the Oxford becomes even more impressive. The cabin combines luxury and heritage seamlessly. Premium beige leather seats create a warm and comfortable environment. The dashboard features a clean, horizontal layout with classic styling elements, including the Morris Oxford script integrated into the trim. A modern digital instrument cluster and infotainment system provide all the technology drivers expect today, while ambient lighting enhances the premium atmosphere. This interior feels both nostalgic and futuristic at the same time. Under the hood, the 2026 Morris Oxford is expected to feature modern powertrains designed for both performance and efficiency. The base engine is likely a 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4, producing around 220 to 260 horsepower. Hybrid options are also expected, improving fuel efficiency while delivering smooth performance. With rear-wheel drive and modern suspension tuning, the Oxford promises to deliver a comfortable yet engaging driving experience. This isn't just a beautiful car. It's designed to be driven. The 2026 Morris Oxford is expected to launch globally in late 2025, with wider availability throughout 2026. Pricing is estimated to start around $38,000, with higher trims reaching approximately $52,000. Positioning it as a premium retro-modern sedan with true heritage appeal. The new Morris Oxford proves that great design never goes out of style. It respects its past, embraces modern technology, and delivers a unique presence that stands out in today's automotive world. This isn't just a comeback, it's a revival done right. And it might just be one of the most elegant modern classics ever created.